I see IS 250 valve cover gasket. IS 250 valve cover gasket replacement. Got Rod on the counter. Yeah, Rod, man. Oh, you already threw old in the bag, huh? Yeah. Old. Old. Thing got so big it just snap. It just snap when I squeezed. Then all them O-rings. O-rings, them things brutal. Swap them out. Swap them out. I got the box Chevy with the lights on. The box Chevy in the cut. Box Chevy in the cut. You did. Yeah. One side. Had to take that fuel. Had to take that thing out. Because you had to take that out. So much stuff being away.
Everything look good. Sleeves look good. Okay.
Yeah. Toyota, that thing.
This the only cylinder right here. That's the only one look like it may have been burning.
Yeah. Yeah, I seen that on this.
Mm-hmm. That's why I laid them out in order. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that motherfucker. Other than that, burn that shit. It's a damn good vehicle. You do this side, run that seafoam.
Through. I really would probably take the intake off.
Oh, yeah, you talking about running through the vacuum.
Yeah.
The same way, okay.
Because the carbon build up on the engine crazy.
So.
Well, I really just scrubbed the what's called if I take the
I already got the bitch off now.
Yeah. I ain't talking about that.
You talking about inside the interior of the engine.
Yeah.
I would just spray a little bit through the vacuum line and the rest you do how you supposed to. But you know you can't spray that seafoam.
You motherfucker ain't plugged up, bitch. Cause that shit, throw that shit off.
Yeah, I already know. I got the tablet though. The tablet is black seafoam. But the battery off, you know what I mean? So you shouldn't get no cold.
Well, we back on the IS 250 valve cover gasket replacement. Finished this one up last night. Now we're gonna do this side, but I still gotta get the correct tool to take these screws out this intake. So until then, I'm gonna hold off on that. But this right here, this piece right here, a lot of people in these videos don't tell you what this piece is. And I messed around and broke this piece for over torquing because I didn't put this extra washer in. There's a washer going both sides, this side and that side. But I broke this piece. Let me show y'all. This was the original piece on. This was the original piece on this car. And you see I broke it. This part is a cold start fuel injector. A lot of people don't tell you what these are. This is a cold start fuel injector. Fuel goes through this line. A lot of people don't tell you that part, man. A lot of people don't tell you that part. It took me so long to figure out what that was. And I had to just figure out, like, let me just type in this the serial code on it, the serial number. The passenger side valve cover gasket replacement is the hardest because you gotta take the fuel regulator fuel pump off. But I think that's a regulator. You gotta take the fuel regulator off, and like it's a pain trying to get all back through there. It's just a lot more to do on this side than this side. On this side, you just taking this intake off and you right there. But if you don't have the right tool to take the screws out of the intake, then that could be a job itself. You don't want to strip the screw, and then once you strip the screw, then you got to extract that screw because you got to take that off to do that valve cover. I showed y'all last night with this one getting replaced. All the rings, all those things was brittle and all, man, like, all that need to be replaced. So it's been replaced. And I also have a thermostat as well. But I also had a thermostat replacement as well. So I can replace this thermostat. So that needs to be replaced. Never been replaced. I know it hasn't. Yeah. Keep me out update on the IS 250. I got headlights. And I gotta get the fog lights because that's unacceptable. That's unacceptable. And the whole car is gonna get painted again. Whole car gonna get painted again. So, and I really don't need to do it. I don't have to do. Yes, I do. Well, I have to do the whole car, but yes, I do. The whole car needs to be repainted. This side, the other side don't look like this side. But that back bumper, it looks like this front bumper. So I might as well replace it. And I would pull this out to show you guys what I was talking about, because on this part, if you don't put that washer back, man, gotta put that washer back, bro. Gotta put that washer back. Now it's time to do this side, you guys. Now it's time to do this side. Be careful. Please be careful when dealing with these alley key bolts. Yeah, you gotta be real careful with these alley key bolts. This is 5mm. 5mm for these. And use the long one. Use the long one. Because if you use the short one, if you use the short 5mm, when it comes to getting to this bolt and this bolt here, you won't be able to reach it. And you will strip it as well because you won't be deep down in the socket. You won't be deep down in. So you want to be deep down in. So I'm about to take those out and take this out. I don't know which size bolts these are, but take these out as well. Remove. This is an air surge tank. Remove the air surge tank. So that's what I'm about to do. Take these out. Get back with you guys. Now, I removed all those bolts. Those bolts are 10mm. Those are 10mm. I had to remove this. Now, I'm going to take off the mass airflow sensor and the tube so I can take this off. So all that needs to come off as well. Yeah. And then I might have to take this bracket off back here and screw that. But I'll see. Get back with you guys. Show you guys that. So I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I took this cold start fuel injector from this. This cold start fuel injector goes into this. Took that out. With this vacuum line, unhook that. Unhook this stuff. Unhook that. Y'all, as y'all can see, I got the air surge tank off. And you know, these engines are infamous for carbon buildup. I had started cleaning it a little bit, but y'all see that? It's a lot of carbon buildup, man. So I probably clean that a little bit. I'm gonna clean that off a little bit. But now, I'm getting ready to take this valve cover off. I already unhooked the wire harness. Now I gotta take those cord packs out. Take those cord packs out and take these bolts out that's going around. All of them are 10s and 12mm. So you know how that go. Get back with you guys. And I took those bolts out the cord packs, 10mm bolts. No, ain't nothing to that. Just take those out. I like to be a little organized, so these bolts, I'm going to keep them by each other. I'm going to put the bolts back in them once I take them out. And sit them up, put them up. Take them out and put them up. Let's see that one. I'm going to put the bolt back in there so I won't lose them. You see that? And I'm gonna line them up on the ground or right here by how they was sitting in the engine. So by how they was sitting in the engine. Don't mess up no order. Even though I don't know if that matters or not. But yeah, we're not messing nothing up. I'm messing up no order. Keep everything. I'm trying to mess up no order. Keep everything how it's supposed to be. So, see, that's off. Now it's time to get these bolts off. To take this cover off. I'm gonna do that PCV valve when I get back. When I take the cover, when I put the gasket in and stuff. So you guys just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned in to your boy. Yes, sir. Back with y'all, man. It's an old. I had to end up getting a whole new valve cover, y'all, because this one ended up getting cracked. See, that ended up getting cracked. So I got another one. Put it on already, y'all. You see I'm still tightening. These 5mm alley. Tighten these 5mm alleys up. And bro, when you tighten these up, y'all, you don't have to tighten and torque them so hard to the point. You never know you might gotta take the thing off again. And you do not want to strip none of these. At the same time, these are new screws as well. I got new screws when I replace this valve cover. But yeah, man, it don't take that much to tighten these things, bro. Cause that'd be a problem. People be over tightening these things, man. It don't take all that. You know what I'm saying? It do not take all that. You feel me? Now I think those tins, I put these tins in and tighten them up. Like you can tighten them with my hand. And the tin really just got just caps for real. It's just caps. Caps that go on. And tighten that up. Man, this valve cover on this side, the gasket kept coming out the cover, man. This harness don't make it no easier. I'm talking about don't make it no easier. I got it done though, but Lord, that harness don't make it no easier, boy. I'm gonna lie to y'all. That banjo fitting right here, that was a 17mm. I don't know what the other guy I seen, he was talking about 21. And I unloosened this line right here so you can get to the banjo fitting and got sprayed in the face, y'all. And don't forget to hook the ground wire back up. Make sure you hook that ground wire back up. Now, oh yeah, and it's Cold Star fuel injector. Make sure you put this all the way back up. And the PCV valve under I replaced as well, and it's a hose from the PCV valve that goes to the air surge tank. You feel me? So I'm about to finish putting all this stuff together, and I'll be back with y'all. Yes, sir. That thing pumped. Here's some gas. Let's get a little gas. That cool. Yes, sir. Let the jar wrapped up. And they say everything how it's supposed to be. No leaks. And that's all, folks. IS 250 valve cover gasket replacement. PCV valve replacement.